The way of our husband make me hungry. And today I'm gonna make. Let's go.
In a pan, heat a small amount of oil over medium heat. Season shrimp with a pinch of salt and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until pink. And then in the same pan, stir fry broccoli and also mushrooms for 2 to 3 minutes. In a separate pan, melt the butter over medium heat, add onions and cook until softened. It will be about 5 minutes. Reduce the heat to the low and add flour. Stirring constantly for 1 to 2 minutes to prevent burning. Gradually pour cold milk, stirring constantly. Pour in the heavy cream and mushrooms, broccoli, add cooked shrimps, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook until thickened. In a baking bowl, place the bread on the bottom and pour the mixture over the bread, and then top with bread. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the top, shrimps, and broccoli. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 15 minutes or until cheese is melted.